Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video we are going to create a text effect that we can use in product designs, various product designs, and you may have seen this product design effect or this text effect in Instagram or some other social media platform. This is a very trendy kind of design that we can create. It looks complicated, looks a bit difficult to create, but actually in reality it is very easy to create but looks very interesting and very attractive, eye-catchy. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have already created this effect, and if I move this, it gives kind of an layer mask kind of an effect, but actually we haven't used layer mask at all. I will show you another example. So this is the thing that we are looking to create. It looks cool and it is very easy to create. So let me remove the layers first so that we can create it from scratch. So first of all, we need to select whatever area that we want to select there. So in this case I want to select this object, so I have already selected this object. Now make a duplicate copy of the selection by pressing Ctrl J, or if you are using Mac then you can press Command J. So I have created this duplicate layer of this selected area. Now write whatever text that you want. For example, I'm going to write the same thing, and I have taken this font called as Bebas New. So you can choose any font that you want, and you can always choose any color that you like. So I'm going to write the same thing, which is, let me select the text first, machine, and keep the font size whatever font size that you like, and I'm going to keep it to white color for now, and we can always change the font color and font size later on, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to keep this below this layer, duplicate layer, like this, and again I'm going to make a duplicate copy of the text layer now. So Ctrl J again or Command J and place it above. So one text layer is above the duplicate layer and one text layer is below the duplicate layer. So this is the basic thing. Now what we need to do is we need to go to blending options of the top layer, this layer, top layer, right click blending options and apply stroke, and make sure that the stroke color is the same color of the fill color, which is white in this case. So white, and position outside, and choose the size accordingly, and we can always change the size later on if you are not happy with the size. And now again select the top layer and make the fill 0 so that the fill color is not visible. So this is how we can create this very attractive but very easy to create text effect. Now select both the text layers by pressing Control key or Command key and left click. So this is the effect that we get, and place it wherever you want. So this is how it will look. And again, if you want to change the size, you can always change the size. If you want to rotate, you can rotate like this, and if you want to change the color, you can always change the color. And let's say for some kind of a dramatic effect, I want to make this black and white. So go to layer 1 and create an adjustment layer, let's say black and white, and keep it or clip it, create clipping mask so that it only affect this layer over here. So this is how it will look. Or if you want to only make the background layer black and white, you can keep this over here. So this is how it will look. So this is very easy to create this kind of an effect, and if you want, you can slightly change the position of the top layer so that it doesn't match like this. I will show you like this. If you want slightly off balance or unmatched so that it is not overlapped completely, you can make this slightly on the side like this. Or if you want to overlap it exactly on the bottom layer, then you can make that effect as well. So this is how it will look. It is very easy to create and it looks very good, very interesting, and you can always use this for different images like product design or any other design that you like. So this is how we can create this really cool text effect. Do give it a go, and let me know in the comment section that what are your results, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply to them. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.